Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, in the right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the content that I do, I really would appreciate you sharing in my videos that thumbs up. It's important for the growth of a YouTuber on the YouTube platform. So if you enjoy my videos, please take a second to hit that thumbs up when you come in. It means a lot on the YouTube platform, so I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today I'm so excited. This came so quickly. Sometimes in Sephora, and we're talking about Sephora, this is the box that just arrived. Really excited that it came. There are a lot of kits that come up in the Sephora favorites, and I'm always like on the fence on some of them, and some of them to me are absolutely home runs, meaning the price point is there, the products that interest me, and they're ones that I don't want to wait for them to go on sale, because a lot of times these Sephora favorites sell out. So a couple of things fell into line in reference to me getting this box. I'm going to share everything with you. I'm also going to share with you everything that's in the kit that I chose. I'm also going to swatch it, and I'm also going to give you more information about the products and what the full sizes are. I do a lot of work prior to doing my filming, but at the beginning I will share with you, because I know a lot of people, not a lot, a few, like to know just what's in the box, which I will share with you, but you could definitely go on Sephora.com's website and get that information without me sitting here in front of a camera. So if I'm going to sit here in front of the camera, I want to be able to share more information, because it's the information that I look for myself, and then I end up sharing it with you. Okay? All right. The kit that we're talking about today is the Sephora favorites, and it is called Give Me Some Shine. Really, it is one of the cutest kits, but it also had so many of the brands that I could not wait to get my hands on. It comes in this fantastic box that I think is amazing. They're saying this is 34 US. In Canada, they're saying this kit is still available, and it's 45. They're saying this is an $83 value here and 113 value in Canada. So they all come in this box, and all the items are in here, and then I didn't open any of them up. I just placed them on the table so that we can go through them and swatch together. I also want to share with you that I did go through my Rakkuten. So if you are not familiar with Rakkuten, I want to make sure that I tell you guys about it, because they're still running that deal where if you spend $30 within 90 days, once you sign up for Rakkuten, there's no fee to sign up for Rakkuten, but if you use my link, you will get an additional $30 added to your check, and then I will also get an additional $30 to my check simply for you using my link, and then you will be able to also be able to get the $30 as well. So we both share in you using my link. So on Rakkuten, usually Sephora is only 2%, but right now they're running a promotion where it is 6%. On Rakkuten, they always have these deals where they have triples and they have all that. So before you shop anywhere, always check your Rakkuten first. Go in there, make sure your website that you want, and there's not one website that I have tried, including FabFitFun was even on there. They're all on there. So it's really great. It doesn't cost anything. If you don't use it, it doesn't cost anything, but the benefits are you get paid cash back every quarter. If you go through their link first, their website, you type in Sephora, it brings you to Sephora, and then brings you directly to where you would shop anyways. All your Sephora information, all that there. You just have to go in Rakkuten first and then choose which store you want. So if you haven't signed up for Rakkuten, make sure to use that link. And if you already are a member of Rakkuten, remember Sephora is on there, and check what the percentage is, because it's always nice to get a little cash back. So that was the first thing I wanted to share with you. The second thing is I also had points, so I'll go through that as well. So because when you shop on Sephora, you get points, those points equal products, and I ended up choosing for myself a product from Lancome. They have a new mascara out that I haven't tried yet. It's called the Lash Lift Volumizing Mascara, so that was in my box. And then when you check out, double check, because usually at the top of the checkout page, it's really in fine print, but it's in the top part. It tells you you can choose 2 samples. And the samples are usually really like true samples. They're like little, blister packs, or these little guys, or cards for you able to try your foundations. So the two that I chose for myself, this one here is the Urban Decay Stay All Night Correcting Concealer, when it gets you to try all of the shades, which I think is really fantastic. And then I took this one to put in my travel pouch because I enjoy this product so much. It's from Bobbi Brown. It's the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. If you haven't tried it, this is a real treat. So those are the two free samples that I got. All right, so this set, like I told you how much it costs, and I told you it's, also use the code free ship. When you put the promo code free ship in, you pay free shipping no matter what the cost is, because otherwise on Sephora, it's $50 for minimum free shipping. So this way I was able to only spend $34, spend my points, get my stuff, everything for $34 shipped to my door. So using that code free ship, and I will leave that in the description box down below as well. Okay, so starting with, it says, this is a, and I always have my notes for you guys. So it says, this is a set of best-selling lip glosses and lip plumpers featuring 3 full sizes from the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, from Milk Makeup, and Huda Beauty. When I read that, I said add to cart, because those are 3 brands that I love their products, and I know that the price of their products are pretty much around the price of this whole kit. So I'm getting 3 full sizes in here, so it was a no-brainer to me. The other items that are in sample size, which are really nice deluxe sample sizes, is that it says, it'll master the perfect glossy lip with your choice of holy grail colors, finished in these set of 3 full size and 2 travel size best-selling treats. The travel size ones are the PAT McGrath Lab Lust Lip Gloss in Flesh 6, and it says it's a rich mahogany brown, and I was a little bit nervous, so I went on to see what the color looked like, and it looked a little sheerer. So like I said, we'll swatch everything and take a look. Then the next one was the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in Laguna, and they're saying that is a shimmering bronze with gold shimmer. Then they have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Balm Cream color. I haven't tried any of her cream ones yet, so I'm really excited about that because I like her original one. And that is called the Drip Lip Color in Fenty Glow. They're saying that's a universal rose, and that's a rose nude, and that's in full size. And then we have the Milk Makeup, which is the only one I'm a little nervous about because it's an electric glossy lip plumper in pumped, but it's clear. Anytime it's a lip plumper, I'm always a little nervous. It's gonna, tingle my lips a little too much. Then Huda Beauty, they have a Silk Balm Hydrating Nourishing Lip Balm, and in the color Blush, and that's also full size. So that's everything that was in the kit here. So we're gonna go through all of them one at a time, and then let me just make sure I know which one is which. So I'm assuming this one is the Pat McGrath. This one, the full size, this is the mini size. The full size of this is $28. This is a luxury lip color that delivers she says, erotic color with the surreal seductive shine of a glossy balm. They're saying it's ultra lightweight, and it will cloak our lips in a never sticky gel formula. It glides on flawlessly, soothing and smoothing while creating the look of an amplified volume with a brilliant 3-dimensional luster. And I find when it's a gel, as opposed to regular gloss, they last longer on your lips, and yet you still have the beautiful shine of a gloss. So that's really, really great. That's what the doe foot applicator, it looks like it brought a lot of product up, so I'm just gonna take a little off. It has a bit of an angle to it, and we're just gonna do a swatch here. Yeah, see, this was the only one that I was nervous about based on what they called it. They call it the rich mahogany brown, but it is more of a beautiful, beautiful color. It's not like a deep, deep color. So really, really excited about that. And that was the only one I was concerned about. And so now the entire kit is an absolute win. Okay, the next one is from NARS, and the packaging that NARS does is just so over the top and beautiful. And it's in this rose gold. And this one is called the Afterglow Lip Balm in Laguna. And we mentioned that it's a shimmering bronze with gold shimmer. This is the sample size. The full size of this is $28. They're saying there's a hydrating lip balm with a tint of color, and it's available in 6 universally flattering shades. It says the highlight ingredients in here are a Monhoy hydrating complex that will provide long-lasting hydrations for smooth, supple comfort, and it has a blend of antioxidants that are proven for a daily protection against environmental aggressors. It's also free of parabens and contains less than 1% of a synthetic fragrance. And they're saying this lip balm will provide smooth, supple, long-lasting comfort while helping and protect and condition your lips for hours after application. They're saying this shade contains a pH adjusted pigment that will give you the perfect hint of color. And of course, it's, you know, the shade that they call Orgasm. And then that's what that looks like there. And then let's do, yeah, it's a real hint. So I'm gonna do it a few times so it hopefully will show up. It is a real, oh, it's showing up on camera. Really, really beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, and it feels so moisturizing. Really, really excited to get that. All right, the next one in here is from Fenty. And this is one that has been on my wants list. I couldn't wait to try her new formula. And this one here is by Rihanna. It's called the Gloss Balm Cream Colored Drip Lip Cream in Fenty Glow. It's a universal rose nude. The full size, which is what we have here, is $18. And they're saying this is a cult lip gloss, now with pure creamy color, an incredible shine that instantly leaves your lips looking smoother and more voluminous. They're saying this is a lip gloss, but it's free of parabens, and it is also gluten-free and cruelty-free. And they're saying it is the favorite feel-good, look-great lip gloss that now comes in medium to full coverage color and a zero shimmer. And they're saying it's buildable with full intensity pigment and a brilliant shine. It has the XXL wand that applies in just one swipe with a non-sticky feel. It has an additive peach vanilla scent plus vitamin A to nourish the lips. So this is what this looks like here. Yeah, I love with these large wands. And I love that this is her taking her other formula, but putting it without the shine, giving it more of a creamy. I'm so impressed with this Fenty brand. And that's what this color looks like here. Look how beautiful that shine is. Just gorgeous. Oh, this is an absolute win. This is a fantastic, fantastic kit. All right, and now the next item that is in here is from Milk Makeup, and this is the one that I was a little nervous about. This one has the Electric Glossy Lip Plumper in Pumped. This is also full size, and this is a $25 value. They're saying it is a clean, ultra cushiony, high shine lip gel for the electric yet comfortable tingling sensation and fuller looking lips. This is considered a lip plumper, and it has Sicilian pepper that adds an electric yet comfortable tingling sensation and a little bit of a flavor. It has vegan collagen that moisturizes to improve the look of textured skin, and it has Volu Lip, which is a trademark which will visibly plump, hydrate, and soften your lips. They're saying this is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They're saying, that even has that like electric shock thing on there, it's funny. Okay, give your lips a glossy high shine without any sticky residue. It is a cushiony gel balm that comes in a sheer shade for a supple hint of color. So, I'm not gonna try this on my lips right now, but we will do that swatch, but it said it was clear. So we'll see if I get any tingling sensation on my hand, but I don't think I will, but we'll see what it's all about. So this has that angle tip that makes it really easy to apply on the lips. And that's the sheer one right there. Okay, and then the last item that we got in here is from Huda Beauty. This is your Silky Balm Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Balm in Blush. This is the full size, and it's $21. So these two on their own, but the 18 and 21 is what you're paying for, and everything else is a true bonus. So this one here is the Ultimate Comfort Lip Balm infused with actives to give you a boost of hydration for a silky smooth, fuller looking lip. This lip balm will hydrate the lips, providing an ultra comfort with a shine. The shade has been designed to be a universal blushed pink to flatter every skin tone. Use it alone or with your favorite lip liner or liquid lipstick to add that intense hydration and sheer whenever your lips desire. All right, so this is, like I said, the full size. The packaging on this is also, I'm so blown away with the creativity, the quality of the products, and her design is just so over the top. It is so, so beautiful. And that is what the doe foot applicator looks like. It looks like it has a bit of a tip to it, which makes it so much easier to put on your lips. That's what it looks like there, and we'll do it right beside it here. So we'll have the clear one there and then the blush one right beside it. It is truly a hint of a blush color. I'm gonna just put a little bit more. The camera usually picks up more than what I can see directly, so we'll see when we put the hand up. So yeah, it's pretty hard to see. So that's the one with a bit of pink to it, and that's the clear one that is the plumping. Then we have the Fenty one, and then we have the NARS, and then we have the PAT McGrath. I think this is a fantastic kit. And to get all of these for $34 with that code free ship right to your door, plus a couple of samples. And if you have some points to redeem, that is great. And then on top of it, I'm going to get money back from Rakkuten. So it ends up making the price even better. So that's everything I have for you guys today. Please share with me in the comments down below if this is a kit that you're going to be grabbing as well. And if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products prior to them even being in the kit, I would love to know your thoughts on that as well. Once again, if you use the Rakkuten link, make sure to share with me that you did. I would love to know, because we never know who uses our links unless you tell us. And that's it for today. All right. Thank you, everybody. Stay well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.